Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan thanks China's President Xi Jinping over his strong message on World Environment Day hosted by Pakistan in collaboration with UNEP. Boris Johnson hails Prime Minister Imran Khan's 12 billion trees program. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has appreciated Prime Minister Imran Khan for starting the 10 billion Tasmani trees program to deal with climate change. PPP hold PMLN JUIF responsible for rifts in PDN. Former Chairman Senate and PP leader Nayyar Hussain Bukhari held PMLN and JUIF responsible for rifts in the PDN. Budget 2021-22. Prime Minister Imran Khan summons National Economic Council meeting on June 7. Prime Minister Imran Khan has summoned a meeting of the NEC on June 7 to approve macroeconomic targets and the National Development Outlay 2020-21 for the next fiscal budget. Sheikh Rashid terms opposition incompetent. Federal Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid thanked the WHO for extending its full support to Pakistan in the fight against COVID-19. COVID-19 positivity ratio declined in Pakistan, recorded at 3.10%. The COVID-19 has claimed 76 more lives across Pakistan during the last 24 hours, lifting the death toll from the disease to 21,265. The positivity ratio of cases was recorded at 3.10%. Of today's English news, stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.